Good morning. I finally got a battery for my mic, so now it's working. And it's very cold out today and windy, and the truck is shaking because it's so windy. We have a load today at 2 p.m. I accidentally moved the truck. My camera's gonna die, so forgive me. I'm gonna go get Starbucks, and it's currently like 7 in the morning, and I messed up by moving the truck, so now I gotta just deal with that today. It's affecting the amount of hours I can drive today because I've already started my 14-hour clock, if that makes sense to people who don't understand. Anyways, I'm gonna go get my coffee and charge this battery. Okay, I lied. I have a pre-charged battery, so that's pretty cool. Today I am, here, let me see if I can show you. I'm charging my GoPro 360. Okay, so a long time ago, I dropped this thing on the ground. No, I don't know if this was like me dropping it on the ground or, but you can see the crack in it. And then there's a scuff on this side. I think this might have been the ground, and that was a rock that hit the front of the truck because this used to be on the front. And don't mind that I have one hand painted and the other hand has no nail polish on it, but it always cracks off, and I think I've just given up. I have so much work to do, and I know like people don't understand exactly like what all goes into like the things that I have to accomplish in a day besides driving on that, but for now, Starbucks sounds so good. It's 36 degrees outside. Well, I just tried to record and there wasn't any sound on that, I bet, because it was stuck in between the on and off. My dog won't leave me alone. What was I saying? Oh, I tried to turn on the GoPro, right? And I held it for 3 seconds and it still won't turn on, but I'm charging it, so I'm hoping maybe it just needs a really long time to charge because it's been dead for maybe over a year now. It might also need a new battery, because I think this is the battery, correct me if I'm wrong. And like I said before, one hand painted, one hand not. We'll fix that later, but not right now. We are also going to head over to a TA because we have to move our trailer out of the PetSmart dock so that way the trash guy can come get the trash, but they've been so kind to let me leave it there for so long, but we really need to go pick it up now. So we're gonna go do that. So basically, it's a spider bungee, but this thing doesn't have a cradle, and DOT is gonna look at this and see, oh wow, what's that right there? Hopefully I make it to the shipper just fine with this, and then there I'm gonna red tag it and they're gonna fix it. But I put it a little bit on this side and then a couple on this side so that way it actually holds it. And they're pretty tight, so spider bungees come in good use sometimes. Now I'm just gonna hook up the airlines and then we can get going.
I'm so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without it.
Alrighty, I better take you with me because riding on the back of this thing, you won't make it. I know you didn't get one from Starbucks, but you would have been sick. So sick. Alright, go. Thank you.
Meditation through the yoga lessons, going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Posters covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me.
I don't know, you can see me all that well. Haha. Hi. I'm so early. Oh, let me put myself off duty. I think I'm gonna go take a shower because, like, I mean, look at this. I mean, I took a shower last night? No, not last night. The night before last. And it was amazing. Amazing. Like, so, honestly, the truth with showers is, like, there's some nights where, like, I don't get to take a shower. And that's just because I have to keep moving. I have to make, like, the most amount of time possible. So, like, sometimes I'll keep moving until, like, 9, 10 o'clock at night local time and wherever I am. And there's no parking at the truck stops. So there's no way for me to, like, go in and take a shower. I'm not gonna park in the fuel island. I'm not gonna do any of that. And that's just, like, the reality of this job. And that's okay. Like, I'm okay with that. But, not to mention, showers are so expensive. Why are they, like, $15, $17, $20? Why? Same with parking. Parking is now, like, I've seen it $25 some places. Like, it's incredible. So I'm spending, like, over $30 for parking and a shower. Right now I'm parked in a reserve spot, but nobody's gonna come at 11:30, so it's 9:30 here, 9:30 in the morning here to park in a reserve spot, so I'm okay. Anyways, that's that. I'm gonna turn off the truck and go take a shower. Maybe I'll paint the other hand. I don't know. Okay. Let me see. Are you zoomed in? Are you zoomed out? There we go. Okay. Okay. I put you on a tripod, but you're not really on the tripod. You're just sitting there. So please don't fall. And the dog is actually right under this tripod, so I could, like, take this off. Dog. Hey, it's something though, right? It's something. Now I'm not squatting on the floor. And I can make food. Alright, now that I ate my tacos and took off my bigger layer. Because it is getting warmer outside. Check it out. It's on. So, I think I have the app on my phone still. This is a newer phone than the last one I had. It says it's got full battery, so I'm gonna take this out, because this actually charges my phone. That's my ELD. All of the weird stuff that I got going on. Guys, I'm gonna put this on my hood again. I've left my camera on this entire time. It's been an hour, so I probably need to swap batteries on this. As you guys saw, got the GoPro to work. I'm not setting it up yet, mainly because it won't stick to this. So I gotta figure something else out, figure out what to do with it. But that'll come later. I'm about to head out to the shipper and we'll just see how that goes. Alright, I have my little blink blinks on right now, but this guy's been, I don't know if he's training. He might be training. But he's been trying to back in for a while. So I'm just trying to give him space, and he can't park in those little yellow lines you see in front of us. So we're just gonna wait for him to be done, and then after he's done it, actually park in the space right next to him. Unfortunately not on this side, on the further side, but I gotta wait for the driver to pull out. And then there's a driver behind me who I've already talked to. Yeah, and then something that makes me a little bit sad. I caught my sweater on something inside the facility, but I guess that's just the way it is. Oh well. But let me tell you,
when we
coffee
were
is
younger,
good. It's so
we used
good.
to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17.